Good morning, children. Welcome to your new grade 6. You have all promoted from grade 5 to grade 6. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and enjoying your holidays. This is your history class. In class 5, we have read only one book for social, but now we have three books for social: history, civics, and geography. And now we are going to see the lesson in social and political life 1. Do you remember the proverb unity in diversity? Yes, what is the meaning of it? I hope someone guessed it. Yes, unity in diversity is used to express our unity between dissimilar individuals or group. For example, in our country, can you see anyone who looks exactly like you? Like same nose, same eyes? No, we all looks different. Not only different appearance, we might also belong to different regional, cultural, religious backgrounds, or we might speak other languages in house. But we are all belong to India. Yes, this means diversity. We are all different from one another. But if someone asks you which country you belong to, what will you say? I belong to India. Yes, today we are going to see our first lesson, understanding diversity in your civics. Look at the three pictures given in your book. These were drawn by three children around your age. And if I ask you to draw a human figure, is your drawing similar to any of the others? No, you have different ideas of drawing because you have an unique drawing style. Not only your drawing style, you have a different style of walking, speaking, and your favorite food also. Someone like puri, someone like idli. Yes, then do you think it would be easy for you to make friends with someone who was very different from you? Let us say one story and then think about this. There were two characters, Samir Ek and Samir Do. Samir Ek was a student who was going for school, and Samir Do, he sells newspaper, but they were in same age group. Samir Do daily sells newspaper, and one day he met Samir Ek, and then they started their conversations. They both become as a friends also. But Samir Ek is familiar with English, but Samir Do speaks Hindi. They have different religious and cultural background also. While Samir Ek is a Hindu, Samir Do is a Muslim. They both differ in their language, religion and cultural backgrounds. Such as these are an aspect of diversity. Now say the answer for the question that I asked. Yes, we can be a friend with someone who was very different from us. In that story, you have noticed that Samir Do did not have the opportunity to attend the school. Yes, this difference is not the same as the one we have seen before. Here we are talking not of difference but of inequality. Inequality comes about when a person does not have the opportunity or resource that available for other people. Yes, the caste system is another example of inequality. Yes, according to this society, it was divided into different groups depending upon their work. For example, if someone's parent is doing a pottery, the son he want to follow his father and they would not change the profession. It was not considered necessary for you to know anything more than what you needed in your profession. Yes, this created a situation of inequality, and you will read more about this and other inequalities in the upcoming chapters. Yes, thank you children. Note down your homework. Do the activity in your page 3, 4 and 5. Make a list of the festivals that might have been celebrated by the two boys, Samir Ek and Samir Do. Can you think of a situation in which you made friends with someone who was very different from you? Write a story that describes this. Thank you children. We will meet you in next class.